Hi, this is Jennifer with Knit Curio, and I'm here today to talk to you about your yarn and how to get it under control once you've started with a project or you have a little bit of yarn left over by creating a center pole ball. A center pole ball is a great way to store your yarn and to start your next project because you can pull right from the center and your yarn will not bounce around. So let's get started and show you how to make the center pole. First, you'll find one of your ends, take it over your hand for your tail, and wrap it around your hand about 6 to 10 times just to get you a nice little tuft to hold on to. Take it off your hand, lay it back on your hand, and line it up with your thumb. This will be the center part of the pull, and it will be easier to pull out and get you started. You'll then take the rest of your yarn and start winding it around your thumb and around that tuft until you've created a nice center core. The whole time you're going to keep your thumb inside and around the yarn or inside the yarn, so that way you will not lose the hole and cover over it with the yarn. Once you've created several wraps around your thumb and around that tuft, we're going to start working in 45-degree angles, starting to cover the thumb and the tuft. And you can slowly rotate your thumb so it doesn't pile up in one spot only. As you can see, I am covering the top with the winding. Once it's hard to turn your thumb any longer and it's filled up enough space, grab the tuft and turn the ball so you have more options to wrap. This is also a way to wind your yarn when you're in mid-project and you have yarn that is starting to loosen and tangle up on you. You can take the yarn closest to the project and start wrapping from there. Remember to keep your thumb inside the ball as you turn and rotate. And just keep winding. Once you're close to the end of your ball, you can take your thumb out, compress your ball a little bit just to close up the hole to secure the center. Take your end, wind it around a few times, and lock it in place so it won't go anywhere. And there you have it, your center pole ball.